Hi, it's Kate with WTI, and I want to show you an amazing organization tool from CHARMOUNT. So this is a broom and mop storage system, also has hooks. It's stainless steel and it is amazing for organizing all of your cleaning supplies. You can use it for whatever you want, but that is what I use mine for. So you can see that it is 16 inches across. You can hold 3 different brooms or mops in here. And then you have the hook, so you can hang cleaning supplies, rags, brushes, whatever you need to get off the floor and to organize your life a little bit. It's stainless steel, so it's high quality. It's got these really nice non-slip rubber rollers. And then the little rubber stopper at the back here as well. You have multiple ways to hang this, so it comes with everything you need. You have your anchors and your screws and even screw covers, so it can look really nice and finished when you're done. Or it also comes with a 3M strip, so if you'd rather stick it to the wall and not have holes, you have that option as well. This holder holds your brooms and mops so well they don't slip out. It's really solid and it holds it nice and tight. You can hold a variety of sizes in here as well. So if you're looking for something to help organize yourself a little better, whether it be for your cleaning supplies like me, or maybe you have an outdoor space, a bathroom, wherever you need this, you can mount this wherever and help get things off the floor, because who doesn't need that? So I definitely recommend it. Give it a try. Really, really impressed, and that's my point of view.